Can you see yourself in the 2017 Chevrolet Spark? With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Spark delivers the basics you need to get from point A to point B and adds efficiency, style, connectivity, advanced safety features, and hatchback convenience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: electronic stability control, trip computer, bucket seats, power steering. You'll be light and bright in the sprightly Spark, the personal-sized car with a playful feel. Test drive it today.